Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to clear browsing data in the last hour in Chrome on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to effectively clear your browsing data. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Click on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Step 3. Select Settings. Step 4. Click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Locate and click on Clear Browsing Data. Step 6. In the Time Range box, select Last Hour from the drop-down menu. Step 7. Click on the boxes next to Clear Browsing History, Cookies and other site data, and cached images and files to turn them blue. If they are already blue, no further action is needed. Step 8. Finally, click on Clear Data at the bottom to remove the selected browsing data from the last hour. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear your browsing data in Chrome on your PC within the last hour.